Have you ever wanted to speak English really fast like a native speaker, but every time you try, you find yourself translating everything in your head first? It's a common problem, but today I'm going to give you a solution. In this video, I'm going to teach you a super simple trick to stop translating in your head and start speaking English naturally. You'll love this, and it only takes a few minutes a day. Before we get started, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of my new subscribers. I am so happy to be a part of this amazing community. Okay, let's get started with tip number 1. Label things around you. So I'm in my office right now, and I'm going to look around, and I'm going to label everything that I see. Do you see a cup? Say cup in English. Do you see a phone? Say phone. Do you see a chair? Say chair. Now you can do this out loud or you can do this in your head, but what I want you to do is not translate it in your head. I know it sounds silly, but I promise it works. So next time you are somewhere new, maybe at a mall or a market or in your own home, just start labeling everything around you in English. When you're done, you can comment down below and tell me how it went. Tip number 2, speak simple sentences. Okay? So oftentimes when we want to speak English fluently, we want to use perfect grammar, right? We want to use super advanced vocabulary, but the truth is, native speakers don't always use perfect grammar when they speak. Sometimes they make mistakes, and you know what? That's okay. So what I want you to do instead is just focus on speaking simple sentences and just get comfortable speaking English no matter what it sounds like. So when you get up in the morning, just say, I get up. I brush my teeth. I make breakfast. Or at night, before you go to sleep, say, I take a shower. I change my clothes. I brush my teeth again. Notice how I'm not focusing on any specific grammar rule. I'm not trying to use fancy vocabulary, I'm just speaking simply. So after you try this for a few days, notice how your brain starts to want to build longer and longer sentences. Your brain will naturally do this. It doesn't need me to teach it. It just needs some practice. Tip number 3, think in English for daily actions. So when you're doing something in English, say it out loud or in your head. I like to do this when I'm brushing my teeth or washing my face or washing the dishes or watering the plants. You can do this with anything that you do regularly. When you are doing these simple tasks, think in English. So when you are brushing your teeth, say, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I turn off the water. By doing this over and over again, your brain slowly starts to think in English. It's kind of like teaching a baby a language. You repeat words and phrases until they catch on. The same thing happens with your brain. It's fun, right? It feels like a game. And when you're playing a game, you don't even realize that you're learning. Tip number 4, talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. Sometimes when we're doing something, we forget to practice our English. So what I like to do is just talk to myself while I'm doing that thing. So for example, when I'm cooking, I might say, okay, I need to cut the onion. I need to add some salt. I need to stir the pasta. When I'm cleaning, I might say, okay, I need to clean the table. I need to sweep the floor. I need to take out the trash. Oh, and I also like to talk to my dog. When I walk her, we have whole conversations in English. Now, obviously, she doesn't understand English, but this helps me practice my English and it's fun, right? So by practicing just these small steps every day, you won't need to translate in your head anymore. You'll be able to think and speak more naturally in English. Your conversations will feel smoother, faster, and more confident. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped you. And remember, you can download the free step-by-step English method at the website below. Bye.